Hey everyone, want to save your drawings in Excalidraw? Excalidraw automatically stores your work in your browser while you're editing, but it's also important to save or export your drawings so you don't lose them. In this full guide, I'll show you how to save Excalidraw drawings in 2026. So let's get started. First, create a new drawing or open an existing one in Excalidraw. As you work, your drawing is automatically stored in your browser's local storage, but this shouldn't be your only backup. Next, open the main menu and choose Save To, then Save to File. This downloads an editable Excalidraw file that you can reopen later and continue editing. If you want to share your drawing, open the Export menu and choose PNG or SVG. PNG is great for presentations, while SVG keeps your graphics scalable without losing quality. When exporting a PNG or SVG, you can enable Embed Scene. This stores your editable Excalidraw drawing inside the image, allowing you to reopen it later in Excalidraw while still using it like a normal image. To continue working later, open the menu, choose Open, then Load from File and select your saved Excalidraw file. Your entire project will be restored for editing. Finally, save your work regularly. Although Excalidraw uses browser storage, your browser cache or local storage can be cleared unexpectedly. Keeping an Excalidraw backup file is the safest way to protect your work, and that's how to save drawings in Excalidraw in 2026. Whether you save editable project files or export images for sharing, keeping regular backups ensures your work stays safe and easy to access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.